Imagine sneezing every time you look at the sun. This peculiar reflex, known as the photic sneeze reflex, affects about 35% of the population. It's a genetic quirk where bright light triggers a sneeze. Scientists believe it's due to crossed wires in the brain, where the optic nerve's response to light accidentally triggers the sneeze reflex. This reflex might have evolved as a way to clear the nasal passages quickly. Next time you sneeze in sunlight, remember, it's your brain's quirky wiring at play. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating facts.